Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. The Kids are Green. So kids, today we are going to learn about the life cycle of a butterfly. So let's start. Butterfly is a beautiful insect with the long and big feathers that look so attractive and beautiful. A butterfly moves from flower to flower to get their food for themselves. So kids, there are four different stages through which a butterfly is formed or brought up. So let's start from the beginning. The first stage of the butterfly's life is a formation of an egg. The life cycle of a butterfly starts when a mother or female butterfly lays tiny eggs on the leaf. The second stage of a life cycle of a butterfly is caterpillar, which is also known as the larva. The second stage of a butterfly's life is the hatches of egg into a caterpillar. The caterpillar eats lot of leaves and grows bigger and bigger. And after that, the third stage in the life cycle of a butterfly is chrysalis, which is also known as pupa. The chrysalis is the third stage in which the caterpillar forms a hard shell called a chrysalis. Inside it changes into a butterfly. The fourth and the final stage in the life cycle of a butterfly is a making of adult butterfly. And finally, the fourth stage comes. A beautiful butterfly comes out of chrysalis, ready to fly and start the cycle all over again. So kids, I hope you all like my videos. For more videos, like and subscribe my channel so you can watch the all upcoming videos.